Hello friends, this is my first video as I intend to walk into a new threshold. Now, I will also be covering the infra updates on a regular basis. This niche will comprise of all the infra developments which happens in our country, updates on various mega projects, investment plans of various MNCs and Indian MNCs and corporates and foundation stone or inauguration of assets across the country. Moreover, various interesting stories will be covered only for you. So watch this video till the end and subscribe the channel to remain updated. First story is coming from Varanasi. NVVN has placed the order for EPC contract work of the plant today for fast execution of the project. Varanasi Nagar Nigam has allocated about 20 acres of land at Ramana for setting up the plant. The plant with the capacity to segregate 600 to 800 tons per day of municipal solid waste will be installed. Further, this waste will be processed and fed into the reactor to produce torrefied charcoal. Like natural coal, the torrefied charcoal can be successfully blended with fuel in thermal power plants to produce energy. According to the company, the process is environmentally friendly as the temperature is lower than other technologies, due to which there are no toxic emissions. Recently, NVVN signed a similar agreement with Bhopal Municipal Corporation also. Second story is coming up from the national capital New Delhi, one of the busiest railway station of the country, New Delhi railway station. Reports suggest that after transforming the Bhopal railway station into a world-class facility with airport-like services, 21 other prominent stations, including 2 in the national capital, are in for a similar makeover. The Rail Land Development Authority is set to float tenders for the redevelopment of the New Delhi and Bijwasan railway stations. A detailed project report is almost ready and tenders are soon to be floated, said by Railway's Additional Director General Rajiv Jain. The New Delhi railway station will be given on lease for 45 years to an agency that will redevelop it further. 2 flyovers will link up with the station from the Connaught Place side for facilitating uninterrupted flow of passengers. The station is the country's largest and second busiest facility with more than 4.5 lakh footfalls daily. The architectural buildings of both New Delhi and Bijwasan stations would be examples of signature style constructions exhibiting confluences of history and modern Indian cultures. Third story is making its way all the way from Jhansi and Bundelkhand in Uttar Pradesh. At an event in Jhansi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation of a 600 megawatt ultra mega solar power plant. The park is being constructed at a cost of over 3013 crore and will help provide cheaper electricity and grid stability. Also, Prime Minister Modi went on to inaugurate multiple developmental projects worth 3250 crore in Mahoba, Uttar Pradesh to address the issue of water shortage in the Bundelkhand region and to bring relief to farmers. Fourth update is coming from the high-tech city of Karnataka. Karnataka's Minister for Electronics and IT, C.N. Narayan, on Friday announced the setting up of a startup Silicon Valley Bridge to help skilled employees of the state to work for startups located in the US Silicon Valley, which are facing human resource shortage. Not to everyone's surprise, HCL, Applied Material, Raycon and Chint have come forward to invest more than 5,000 crore in the state. The minister stated that almost 15,000 jobs will be created in the state and ensure that Karnataka continues to excel in the IT sector in the times to come. On Wednesday, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu had inaugurated the 24th edition of the Bengaluru Tech Summit, which will be a 3-day event held in a hybrid format this time. The summit is being jointly organized by the Department of Electronics, IT and BT of the Government of Karnataka and the Software Technology Park of India. With this, we have come to the end of this video. We ought to come up with interesting infra stories just for you on a regular basis. Please like, share and subscribe the channel to remain updated. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Jai Hind.